In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Epic Games Launcher on your computer step by step so you can get set up quickly and start downloading your favorite games. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to store.epicgames.com/download. This is the official Epic Games download page, and using the official site helps make sure you get the correct installer safely. Once the page loads, look for the download button in the upper right corner of the web page. Click that button to begin downloading the Epic Games Launcher installer to your computer. After the download is finished, open your downloads folder. You should see the installer file there, usually with the Epic Games name on it. Double-click the installer file to run it. If your computer asks for permission, click yes or allow so the setup can continue. Now the installation window will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully as the installer guides you through the setup process. You may need to accept the terms, choose install options, and wait while the launcher installs on your device. This part usually only takes a few moments, depending on your computer and internet speed. When the installation is complete, launch the Epic Games Launcher. If prompted, sign in with your Epic Games account. If you already have one, enter your login details. If not, you can create a new account during the sign-in process. Once you're signed in, the launcher will finish setting up and you'll be ready to browse and download games from the Epic Games Store. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.